is National Breast Implant Awareness Month, and now more than ever, a growing group of women hoping that people will pay attention to their claims that breast implants are making them sick. Joining me now live is Dr. Fedric Barr from Palm Beach Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery. Thanks so much for being here. You're saying Palm Beach County ranks #1 when it comes to the number of people who have breast implants.
I think it's right up there for sure.
Right up there for sure. So what's the issue here? People are coming and saying they're feeling pain because of their implants?
Not necessarily pain, but we do have a certain number of people coming in now saying that they're feeling a range of symptoms, from being fatigued, tired, to hormone imbalance, thyroid issues, possible fibromyalgia, even claiming scleroderma, autoimmune type disorders. So we're seeing that.
And so do you think that these are actually causing problems?
Well, so far to date, there's been no study that has linked to anything conclusively, definitively. The FDA has reapproved the implants in 2006. However, the issue is if a woman feels that the implants are hurting them, for whatever reason, it's our job to say we have a solution. Take them out.
Take them out. And so for people watching who maybe just recently got their implants, so they have maybe the newest technology, but let's talk about someone who maybe has had it for 20, 30 years. Are those the patients you're seeing?
That's the group that we really want to address because, again, these are the older implants. Knowing full well the FDA had originally approved those, but then there was an issue. They reapproved the newer implants in 2006. Our job is to say to anybody, if you have not been seen by your plastic surgeon for a number of time, come in. Be seen, be evaluated, get the mammograms, see what's going on, particularly those that have implants that are greater than 10 years of age.
And so the people coming into your office saying, listen, there's something going on, I want them out, do they feel better when they're out? Have you followed up?
We've had some good reports.
Really?
Yes, we have.
So, you know, it's one of those things, like you said, it is a simple solution. Just simply have them out. So what should women do who have implants right now that may be concerned? They're watching right now. Do they call their doctor, just follow up? I mean, I assume they'd come in and you can talk about it. Maybe there's other issues and you're able to address those first.
I think the issue is, again, communication, having a good relationship with your plastic surgeon. If you have implants, and there's no need to panic. Implants invariably are safe. However, for the person that has them for a longer period of time that hasn't been seen and checked, it's a good idea. We tell patients in a rule, think about exchanging implants every 10, 15 years, whatever that is, but those are things to discuss with your plastic surgeon.
It's interesting that it's definitely happening out there. And to learn more about this controversy and what a lot of people are talking about, you can head to the website on your screen. We've got this for you, palmbeachplasticsurgery.com/breast-implants. Get a lot of information, and if you have any questions, they can give you a call.
Super.
Thanks so much for coming in. We really appreciate it. Steph, we'll send things over to you.
All right, thank you, Erin. Tragic.